So the Maverick made the comment recently that a coach or indeed a player can do well without winning. And right away, the vultures run out and say, hey, got you, Maverick. How can you say that a coach or players can do well without winning when it's me same one argue that the most important thing in sports is winning? But to know for the better than that, now first of all, being called the greatest is different from doing well. It is crazy to call a coach or a player who don't win the greatest. You cannot be the greatest and you don't win. It can never happen and it will never happen. But many players and many coaches have done well without winning. A coach, for example, who takes a team from the brink of relegation to finish second in the league by 1 or 2 points, that coach did not win. But him do well. If a basketballer averages 30 points, 12 rebounds, and 10 assists for the season, and his team loses in the NBA final, that player did not win the title. But him do well. You want another one? If a batsman averages 80 in a 5-test match series after scoring 3 centuries and 2 half-centuries, but his team loses the test series 5-0, that batsman did not win the series, but he did well. So don't mix up the mess between being called the greatest and doing well. You cannot be the greatest and don't win, but you can do well without winning. Those are 2 different kettles of swim around. Yeah, we're gonna swim around.